How much does artificial turf cost? So, you're finally tired of your brown lawn. You've come to the right place. Turf Exchange is the #1 installer of artificial turf in Woodland Hills, California. We transform your living space with the most realistic turf in the market. Got dead spots due to your dog? No problem. We've got you covered. Practice shots in your backyard with your own custom golf green. No more ugly yard. No more brown spots or dead spots or seasonal die-off. We do turf financing. Pay off your turf over 20 years with California's program. Your dog will love it and you will love how easy to clean it is. Get the peace of mind you deserve, and enjoy your weekends with your family. Call Turf Exchange today for a free no-obligation custom estimate 818-456-0465.